हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम आपको मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ जैक केमिस्ट्री का सेट 1 का सॉल्यूशन आपके सामने रख रहे हैं। देखिए, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रेट कांस्टेंट। रेट कांस्टेंट, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रेट कांस्टेंट, इसका सिंपल आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इसका सिंपल आंसर है इट इज पर सेकेंड। अगर हम एक्सप्लेनेशन करें तो एक्सप्लेनेशन में रेट कांस्टेंट के इज इक्वल टू रेट बाय द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट by raising the exponents, and hence it can be written as rate by concentration order. Here it is the first order reaction, rate n is equal to 1, hence k rate is equal to your concentration by time, concentration by time, rate of change of concentration, that is the rate, into 1 by concentration to the power n. Hence concentration, it is mole per liter by time second into 1 by mole per liter power 1, n is equal to 1, hence it becomes per second. By this explanation you can get the rate of first order rate constant. Second question, example of emulsion. Question number 2, example of emulsion is milk, water, butter, cream. Now, what is the emulsion? Emulsion is the liquid colloidal system in which one of the liquid be in dispersion phase, and other is dispersed medium. Here milk, butter and cream is your example of emulsion. Third, bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand means there are two atoms which can contribute the electron. The two such atoms contains by which the electrons can be donated. It is ethane 1,2-diamine. Ethane 1,2-diamine, that is CH2, NH2. It is methyl 1,2-diamine, so both the nitrogen atom is capable to donate the electron. Question number 3. Question number 4. Here it is CH3, CH3 NH2. It is amine because the presence of NH2 group is the amine group, primary amine group, and this group is connected with the second carbon atom, here the second carbon atom. Means it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is, it is propane to amine. Propane to amine. Now, write the name of the sugar present in DNA. Question number 5. DNA, in DNA, beta 2 deoxyribose present as sugar. Present as sugar. Now, question number 6. Write the monomers of nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is the polymer of adipic acid and methylene diamine. It is question number 6. Question number 6. The monomer of nylon 6,6, the monomers of nylon 6,6 is adipic acid and methylene diamine. It is the monomers, two monomers are combined together and forms nylon 6,6. What is tincture iodine? Question number 7. What is tincture iodine? Tincture iodine is the solution of 2 to 3% iodine in alcohol. Tincture iodine is solution of 2 to 3% solution. Tincture iodine is the solution of 2 to 3% of iodine in alcohol. Hence, these are the answer of group A. Group A shape 1 Jack 2022 class 12. Question number 8 of group B. A reaction is of second order with respect to the reactants. How the rate of reaction affected if the concentration of the reactant is doubled and reduced to half? If it is the second order, means its degree is 2. Hence, rate of the reaction for the double, it becomes the 4 times, and for the rate of reaction when the concentration is reduced to half, it is the 1/4 time. Hence, we can write here as the reaction is of second order, then the rate of reaction will increase by changing the concentration of the reactant in second degree. That is for if the concentration is doubled, the rate will be 4 times. The rate will be 4 times, and if the concentration halved, the rate will be 1/4 times. This is your question number 8. Now question number 9. Write 3 differences between physioabsorption and chemioabsorption. एब्जॉर्प्शन जब होगा तो ये बोल रहा है कि फिजियो एडजॉर्प्शन और केमियो एडजॉर्प्शन में आप 3 अंतर बताएं। तो सबसे पहला अंतर है कि फिजियो एडजॉर्प्शन जो है वो आपको फिजिकल प्रोसेस मीन्स वैन डर वाल्स फोर्सेस के कारण होता है, जबकि केमियो एडजॉर्प्शन जो है वो आपका केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन के कारण फर्स्ट लेयर पर, उसका कॉन्टैक्ट लेयर पर केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होता है, तो ये होता है। इसलिए वी कैन डिस्टिंग्विश इन लाइक दिस। नंबर 1, it is held by van der Waals forces. This helps by formation of bond. Formation of बॉन्ड। पहला कंडीशन है कि ये वैन डर वाल्स फोर्सेस से होगा, दूसरा है कि ये फॉर्मेशन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन के कारण होगा। नंबर 2, इट इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक इन नेचर। इसका कोई स्पेसिफिसिटी नहीं है कि कब किस स्थिति में कितना होगा, लेकिन इट इज स्पेसिफिक। It is specific in nature. Number 3, it is reversible. It is irreversible. This is some difference we can find on physioabsorption and chemioabsorption. This is the question number 9. Now, question number 10. Question number 10 relates with the naming of the coordination compound. and in coordination compound, the legend are named before the your central atom, and hence it is question number 10. CO NH3 6 Cl3. It is amine and it is had the 6 numbers, hence it is hexaamine. Cobalt, hexaamine, cobalt. Now its valency, it is valency 0, it is -3 and cobalt has the 3 valency. So 3 chloride. Hexaamine, cobalt, 3 chloride. CrCl2 second. CrCl2 दो प्रकार का लिजेंड है इसमें, Cl2 है और वाटर है 4 विथ प्लस. यहां ये क्लोराइडो लगेगा, ये एक्वा लगेगा, तो पहले ए आता है इसलिए एक्वा का नाम पहले आएगा और 4 मॉलिक्यूल्स है तो टेट्रा एक्वा क्लोराइडो क्रोमियम. अब बैलेंसी देखिए, इसका तो बैलेंसी 0 है, इसका -2 है, इसका x है, x -2 इज इक्वल टू +1 means x is equal to 3. Hence we can write tetraaqua chloridochromium how much? It is 3 and it is iron. Hence tetraaqua chloridochromium 3 iron. Now K4 Fe, I'm sorry, it is K4 FeCN6. K4 FeCN6. It is the potassium. Hence, its name will come first. Potassium hexacyano. Potassium hexacyanoferrate. It is 8 ferrate and its oxidation state, it is -6, it is +4, hence it is +2, ferrate 2. Potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. These are the name of the question number. This is the answer of question number 10. Now, question number 11. These are some chemical reaction in which it is C6H5CHO reacts with H2NCO NH2CO NH2. In this reaction, the CHO group will be eliminated and it will come as C6H5CH NNH NHCO NH2. It is your product. This is C6H5NH2, C6H5NH2. It is the aniline or aminobenzene. Aniline or aminobenzene. Its bromination Br2 in presence of water, this takes places, and it added the bromine in the phenyl group. It is your aniline NH2 Br. That is 2,4,6 tribromo aniline or tribromo aminobenzene. 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. Now for C. Adipic acid. SOCl2 added the chlorine atom, hence it will COCl. This is the reaction. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is how the carbohydrates classified. Illustrate with example. कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है उसको पानी में घोलने के बाद ये मोनोसेकेराइड्स में बदलता है या सिंपलर प्रोडक्ट में बदलता है. इसी के आधार पर हम लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट को क्लासिफाइड करते हैं और ये तीन प्रकार से हम लोग क्लासिफाइड करते हैं. नंबर 1 इज द मोनोसेकेराइड्स, नंबर 2 इज द ऑलिगोसेकेराइड्स and number 3 is the polysaccharides. Hence we can write like this. The carbohydrates are classified on the basis of hydrolysis. When the carbohydrates are hydrolyzed, it is split into simpler compound. This can be classified in three ways. That is, number 1 is your number 1 is monosaccharides. Number 2 oligosaccharides. Number 3 polysaccharides. Monosaccharides. When the carbohydrate split in one monomers It is monosaccharides. It is for example glucose and fructose. Oligosaccharides. When the carbohydrate split in 2 to 10 monomers. 2 to 10 monomers. It is known as oligosaccharides. For example, it is sucrose. Polysaccharides. When the carbohydrates split in more than 10 monomers on hydrolysis is known as polysaccharides. For example, cellulose. This is the more or less answer of question number 12. That is the classification of the carbohydrates and its types. आज हम लोग इतना ही बनाए। नेक्स्ट क्लास में रेस्ट जो भी क्वेश्चन आपका बचा हुआ है उसको मैं आपको हल करके दूंगा। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप अच्छा रहेंगे, आप अच्छा रहें, अच्छा सोचें, अच्छा करें। थैंक यू।